Hello and welcome to my channel. So in today's Halloween tutorial we are doing Twisty the Clown from American Horror Story's Freak Show. I loved this character so much because once you got the backstory and everything, it completely changed your views on things and it just gave the character a lot more depth, so I had to do a Halloween tutorial on it. So once I sprayed the top half of my face with some white face paint, I start to paint the outline of the mask. Once I've done that with some white face paint, I then shadow it with a really warm brown eyeshadow. I wouldn't normally do shading with a warm toned eyeshadow. I would normally go more cool toned for shadows, but after looking at pictures of Twisty the Clown, the shadowing was a lot warmer, so I decided to go for a warm eyeshadow this time. Once I've done that, I then get a angled brush with some black eyeshadow on and run along that line to make the edge a lot darker, and then I just go in and tap some black eyeshadow along it and then blend it in. Once I finish blending, I then go in with some white face paint and just tidy up that line again. I darken up my eyes using that warm brown eyeshadow. I start off by putting it on my bottom lash line and then bring it up into the corner, and then it will slowly go into the crease. Then I go in with a lot darker brown eyeshadow and put that around my eyes also to really make it look dark and hollow. I also get that dark brown eyeshadow and just tap it around my nostrils to add some contour to that as well. Using that same eyeshadow, I begin to contour a frown on my forehead. I do this by frowning and then in the creases just smudging that eyeshadow in. My camera died, but I also used that eyeshadow and creased up my eyes and tapped over it so you can see that look on the outer corners of my eyes and a bit on my lid. Then using a nude coloured lip liner, I begin to map out the mask. I first start off by drawing where the mouth will be, and then where the lips will be, and then the teeth. The best thing to do when you're doing this step is to look at pictures of Twisty the Clown, draw the lines that you see and slowly create the mask. Once I've got a basic idea of where the mask is going to be, I then paint the outside of the mouth white so then I can get an idea of how the mask is going to look. The lips on this mask are black, so I fill them in with a black face paint. Using that lip liner that I used earlier, I start to draw in the teeth. Once I got the size and shape that I liked, I then fill them in white. For the gums, I mixed a red face paint and a black face paint together to make a really dark red, and I lightly go around each tooth to create the gums. Once I had done that, I then go in with a really fine detailed brush and some black face paint and just line around the teeth that I haven't filled in with gum. Twisty the Clown's makeup is really dirty, so I didn't want to paint a perfect triangle above my eyes. So what I did is get a red face paint in my airbrush gun and spray the triangles above and below my eyes. To darken up my eyes even more, I got that black eyeshadow and started to put it in my crease. I then put on this clown collar that I got from Amazon and this wig that I also got from Amazon. Next I put on some mascara and then I put on the Decay Vape eyelashes. I then get some red and black face paint and start to stipple it all over my hand and then on my shoulders and my chest. And we are finished. Let me know if you like this video by pressing the thumbs up down below and leaving me a comment. And if you are not already, make sure you are following me on Instagram because I have uploaded a lot more Halloween looks on there, as I've been uploading every day this October and I will be until Halloween Day. My username is @brooke.ellis_. It will be linked in the description down below, as well as everything that I've used in this video. If you do not want to miss any more of my Halloween tutorials that will be coming up this month, then make sure you hit the subscribe button here and turn on that notification bell if you want to get notified every time I post. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!